Okay, this morning I'm running out the carriages for the HSSM, it's a high-speed sphere machine. What we do in this operation is we made this special jig to hold the casting, and then we're going to face the top, front, back, do the two bores, all the mounting holes, and motor mount holes, all in one operation, and that basically ensures that everything is perfectly aligned, center line, front to back, and everything's nice and perpendicular. So it's a little hard to see on this operation, but we're basically cutting the extra material off the top of the casting, getting it to length, and getting it nice and square, and then we'll do the two holes for the pins. I'm going to spot drill those two holes for the top of the unit. This particular job requires 19 tools. I got 20 tool positions on this machine, so we're using all the one position. A lot of different tools, but it saves us a lot of setups to be able to do it in one setup. I'm just peck drilling the top of these two holes. I could drill it more aggressively, but I set up the job so I can run for a long duration on the tooling and not have to have any tool changes, so I don't have to be attending it very much. Now this is a rough bore. So it's taking it almost to that half-inch diameter. It's a pretty long end mill, so you hear it bark a little bit when it goes in there the first time. This is the finish milling here. Takes that bore to perfect diameter now. And those are done. Now we're going to face mill the backside. Basically, we ramp down to the surface. The castings vary some in size, so you have to start a little bit above, otherwise you get an oversized casting. You really come in hard with the tool, so that's why we ramp down to it, so it keeps the tools from jamming into the part.